Did you know you can actually turn your iPhone screen into grayscale mode to reduce distraction and make it easier to see when it's nighttime? It's really easy to enable, and if you've got an action button on your phone, you can link it to the action button, so simply pressing that will switch between normal mode and grayscale mode. Here's how it works. I'm going to use the Settings app and then go straight onto Accessibility. From here, I'm looking for Display and Text Size. Now, at the bottom of this screen is an option called Color Filters, and tapping on there will bring up this screen with some coloured crayons at the top. Ignore all of that, you don't need them right now. All we're going to do is toggle Color Filters on. From here, you've got several different options, which are actually quite helpful if you're colourblind or you want to change the tint of your screen. But for now, we're going to tap onto Grayscale here, and we're going to move the intensity slider all the way to the right, which, as you can see, makes our phone completely grey. If I come out of here now and go back to my home screen, all of my app icons are grayscale. In fact, everything that I do on my phone is now in black and white. I now want to link this to my action button, so I'll jump back into Settings and choose Action Button. I'm just going to swipe sideways until I find the option for Accessibility. I can then tap on here and choose which accessibility feature to link to that button, and we're going to choose the colour filters that we just configured. Now, whenever I use the Action button, it will toggle off or on the grayscale filter. And that means I can really easily enable this whenever I want to on my device. And the other great thing is you can link this grayscale mode to other system settings like focus modes or schedule it to come on at a certain time of the day. But they're all things for another video. In the meantime, if you want to see hundreds more things that your iPhone can do, please do check out my channel and make sure to subscribe. There are hundreds more iPhone quick tips waiting for you there. I'll see you next time.